Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, April 24th, 2009. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 63 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only and is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each day using this approach. A full trading plan and free live chat room can be accessed via our website at www.eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right around 8:55.50. There was an opportunity to get in a short half gap play right here. Not a play to plan, so we don't have it shown on this chart. We came down within one tick of the half gap. Basically traded sideways, got a move back above the open right around 9:50. On the pullback there was a signal to go long that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 15 ticks as we moved through the overnight session highs. Hit some previous resistance, traded above that slightly, and then got rejected off that resistance, previous resistance level. As we traded down through the 10 o'clock reversal time frame, came back up at 10:15, got a signal to go short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside as we traded back below our opening price. Bottomed out right around 10:30, got to move back above our moving averages, back above our open price, back above our Globex session highs, and still beneath this previous resistance level. On that pullback, got a signal to go long. We got our first contract off, got stopped out of our second as it moved down towards the open, only to watch this trade continue to move to the upside, but we did not get a chance to participate because we were stopped out of our second contract. But nonetheless, that trade moved up through the lunchtime dead zone at 11:30. We continued to trade higher. We got a slight pullback coming out of lunch. We got a signal to go short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 as we traded back down to that previous resistance level, which now became support. As we hit that level, we did get a bounce, and we got a signal to go long as it crossed our moving average on the pullback. Again, we got our first contract off, but we got stopped out of our second for a 2-tick loss on the second half of that contract. But coming out of that stop out, again, that support came into play. We got a little bounce, got an opportunity to get short underneath our moving average. Produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside as we started trading back towards our open for 14 additional ticks. We hit our 2 o'clock reversal time frame, got a bounce off this previous support level. Traded back up through our open, back across the moving average, got an opportunity to get long that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 13 ticks on an extension play there, and that was basically it for the day, and then we traded higher. So that was an active day for us, a great day, 7 trades for 63 ES ticks, and then we stopped trading at the 3 o'clock time frame. And just to give you an idea of what happens after this 3 o'clock, you can see that we put in a new high, traded off that high, and we started just trading sideways, just chopped basically back and forth, and there was a lot of trades made and a lot of people range trading this move. But once it broke down, we got a violent move to the downside. We dropped from like the 65 level all the way down to 57. And then we got a violent move back to the upside and actually ended up closing up here at 66. So this type of action is just murderous, and it's not good for anyone to be involved in. And then this chop action here, our signals would not have fared well in that range either. So that's why we don't trade after 3 o'clock. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our free daily chat room video newsletter, please visit us at www.eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.